I can't remember when I wasn't feeling down, sad, or just plain irritable. Nothing interests me. I don't get excited, and work is a constant struggle. I've tried all the medications and put up with their side effects, yet none have made me feel okay. I've talked and talked to my therapist, but I don't think we're making any progress. It feels as though I will never be happy again. Is there any hope for me?
There is hope, and depression can be treated now. Transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS, is a new way to treat major depression, especially when other treatments like medication or therapy don't work. It is non-invasive method, meaning it doesn't need surgery or anesthesia. TMS uses magnetic fields to target specific areas of the brain. It was first developed in the 1980s and was mainly used for research. This shows that TMS is safe and effective for patients who need another option for their mental health. So, how does it work? TMS is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction, a concept discovered by Michel Faraday. The process involved placing magnetic coil on the patient's scalp, which generate magnetic field. These electrical currents change the activity of neurons by either depolarizing or hyperbolizing them. This means that TMS can increase or decrease brain activity in aimed regions, depending on the setting used. The magnetic field can reach up 4 centimeters into the brain, which is enough to affect areas like the motor cortex. So, by changing brain activity in a controlled way, TMS can help treatment for different conditions.
Yeah. Transcranial magnetic stimulation (TMS) has a broad range of applications in diagnosing and treating neurological and psychiatric conditions. In diagnostics, TMS is used to measure motor effect potentials (MEPs), which help evaluate corticospinal pathways and map motor cortex functions, aiding in conditions such as stroke and multiple sclerosis. For therapeutic purposes, repetitive TMS can modulate brain activity to treat conditions such as depression, anxiety, and chronic pain by targeting specific brain regions with tailored stimulation frequencies and intensities. TMS offers personalized treatments by adjusting its parameters based on individual brain activity patterns, which are often mapped with advanced imaging techniques. By influencing brain circuits associated with mood, pain, or motor control, TMS can produce lasting therapeutic effects, making it a valuable tool for customized and non-invasive treatments in mental health and neurology. TMS initial FDA approval was in 2008 for treating major depressive disorders in adults unresponsive to antidepressants, and it has seen significant advancements with years. With new protocols, improved systems, and adapted electromagnetic pulse technology, TMS has broadened its to clinical applications and treatment options. However, it associates ethical concerns, including issues around marketing practices that may exaggerate benefits, the off label use of TMS beyond approved indications, and inconsistent technician certification standards, which could impact safety and efficacy. Additionally, the combination of TMS with pharmacotherapy introduces potential risks that must be managed carefully, as certain drugs' interaction might diminish the efficacy of TMS and lead to adverse effects. Ensuring a balance between risks and benefits, addressing insurance limitations, and maintaining a high ethical standard for patient care are all critical as TMS continues to grow as a therapeutic tool.
In Australia, Medicare covers up to 35 TMS sessions for eligible patients with major depressive disorder who haven't responded to at least 2 antidepressants, often resulting in minimal costs. For those not covered, sessions range from 100 to 300 Australian dollars, totaling around 2,000 to 4,350 for a full course. Private health insurance currently does not cover outpatient TMS, though this might change in the future. Public hospitals may offer TMS at little to no cost, but availability is limited. In terms of availability, TMS is accessible in many regions, including parts of North America, Europe, Asia, and Oceania. However, it remains limited or unavailable in regions like Africa, Middle East, and South America, highlighting a significant gap in global mental health treatment accessibility. In conclusion, while TMS offers a promising and non-invasive option for treating neurological and psychiatric conditions, challenges such as cost, accessibility, and safety concerns remain. To maximize its potential as a reliable treatment, a concerted effort is needed to address these issues and ensure that TMS can benefit a wider range of patients. Looking at future directions, more rigorous clinical trials in diverse populations are needed to validate TMS protocols and better understand its effects, efficacy, and safety. The Royal Australian and New Zealand College of Psychiatrists also recommend expanding TMS access in public mental health systems to benefit more patients. Additionally, addressing TMS-induced adverse reactions like epilepsy by studying procedural effects and patient histories is crucial. Focusing on these areas will minimize the limitations of TMS, improving its reliability, impact, and availability as a therapeutic option. These are the resources we used, and thank you all for listening.